Well, everybody who wanted a checkmate finally got that checkmate. Adam Aron's 4D chess, I guess it turned into reverse chess. Because those that thought that Adam Aron was fighting for retail investors, turns out that he was fighting against retail investors, and he has finally put in his final move. The checkmate has been made, and it was against retail. Hedge funds, they're walking away laughing right now with hundreds of millions of dollars created for them in AMC's APE shares rising in value. While AMC retail investors, the ones who have struggled for the last 2 years, 3 years, buying up shares of AMC Entertainment in support of this company that we trust, we love, we support, well, that turned out to be a bad move. Losing over $800 million in value in a single 5-minute tick. We are watching Adam Aron laugh all the way to the bank, while retail investors are just, what happened? What's going on? Let's discuss the settlement going through. Let's discuss what it means for us. And let's discuss what it means for AMC and APE's price. Because there should not be a single soul on this earth willing to buy AMC shares, not APE, but AMC shares right now. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're earning 5% on your cash balances. Webull now available in the United Kingdom. Make sure to check that link out there if you guys want it. I need to jump into this, though. I have not seen a more disgusting move I don't know if I've ever seen a more disgusting move, simply based on the reliance and the expectations that Adam Aron was the leader of retail investors, that he was that silverback that so many people looked up to, and he has checkmated those that looked up to him. He has put that dagger in and twisted it. He has made sure that stake has gone through the chest. And I don't know if AMC is going to be able to recover in value now, if AMC stock price is going to be able to go back up in value now. Let's talk about what happened in this settlement. And then let's talk about what it means for AMC, what it means for a potential short squeeze, and what it means for you and me. The headlines out there circulating right now: AMC Entertainment gets approval for its revised investor settlement and the stock soars. I don't know if Tom and Jody for Reuters hit their head on the way into work today, if they slipped and accidentally ended up in opposite world, or what type of cruel mentality they are thinking. AMC is not soaring. APE shares are soaring. The ones that the hedge funds were sold, that is soaring. AMC has declined 30+% in value. So Tom, Jody, don't be dumb, okay? That's a stupid headline. AMC's value is not soaring right now. It goes on to say, a Delaware judge approved AMC Entertainment's revised stockholder settlement on Friday, 3 weeks after the judge rejected a related deal by the cinema operator. The ruling sent the shares of the company's common stock and preferred stock soaring 27%. We just went over this. Tom and Jody, get it together, man. AMC has told its investors it's burning cash, and it needs this settlement to go through if it wants to stay in business. Now, under the approved class action settlement, AMC will provide a stock worth an estimated $129 million to its retail investors, to its millions of common stockholders, to settle potential legal claims related to the stock conversion plan. You remember those legal claims by Allegheny's pension fund. They claimed that Adam Aron sold shares of APE to Antera Capital. Antera Capital voted in favor of the conversion plan, knowing that their stock would move from 60 cents a share up to $3 a share, which it did. They 5x'd their money. They cashed out. Adam Aron got his vote. The hedge funds made their money. They moved out, and retail got screwed. Here's what we're left with. $129 million settlement. You know how good that settlement is? Well, a lot of people think $129 million. That's great. AMC, in 5 minutes after hours today, lost $800 million in value. Why on earth would any, and listen, I'm not saying that people watching this video are idiots, but if anybody thinks it's a good idea to trade $800 million for $129 million, that's pretty dumb. It is not a good idea to settle for $129 million knowing that you are going to lose, and now proven that we have lost $800+ million in AMC's value. The approved class settlement does not allow, this is the craziest part, okay? If you think that this is a bad idea, who cares what you think? If you would like to opt out of this settlement, you don't want the 1 share for every 7.5 shares that you're going to have post-conversion, you are screwed. And there's no more polite way to say that. You're out of luck. It has nothing to do with luck. You're screwed. The approved class settlement did not allow shareholders to opt out, and it binds them to the agreement. If you think what Adam Aron did was wrong, if you didn't want to settle for $3 that we're going to be getting for every couple shares that we own, if you did not want to do that, who cares what you wanted? That's what Adam Aron thinks about you. That's what Allegheny, the ones that were supposedly fighting for you, that's what they think about you. You cannot opt out of this settlement. There will be no further discussion of this lawsuit and about Adam Aron's illegal dealings to rig the vote in favor of AMC by selling hundreds of millions of shares to Antera Capital and his hedge fund buddies, knowing that all they had to do was vote yes to dramatically increase the price of those shares of APE. Now, this settlement has gone through. The numbers are actually in. AMC losing 30+% in a matter of minutes. Shares of APE rising, absolutely, to the tune of about $500 million being created in value for APE holders. All of the YouTubers out there, all of the all of the people who post on Twitter out there, all of those Reddit fools, and I don't have a problem saying that because, well, they are. All of those Redditors out there saying that this conversion, that this reverse split, that this dilution by Adam Aron is the only way forward. Look at their portfolios. I can almost guarantee you that they, like Tom and Jody, either hit their heads or they were loaded up on shares of APE, just like the hedge funds. Knowing that if you could screw retail one more time, you were set. They're set, guys. Where's retail? Paying the bills. On the hook. Ready to cover all of AMC Entertainment's $11 billion in liabilities. And AMC is going down in price. Now, we've been over the numbers and we can go over them again in a couple videos. But we know now that the total shares outstanding are going to go to about 150 million. 50 million of which were AMC stock. 100 million of which was APE stock. From there, Adam Aron has another 350 million shares that he is going to dilute. He is going to pour on your head. He is going to make sure your shares of AMC end up worthless. But his bank account is going to be full. He's going to continue receiving a paycheck, and he's going to continue receiving free stock from AMC for being the hero. Who did he slay along the way? And how many retail's heads did he step on to get there? Look, guys, we'll recover from this. We absolutely will. We'll move on from this. But there's a special place reserved for guys like Adam Aron that are willing to destroy retail investors along the way, that are willing to feed into that lust and greed so much that they disregard those that built them up in the first place. There is a very special place reserved for people like that. It is not somewhere that I want to attend. It is not something that I want to be associated with. Adam Aron, AMC Entertainment, and anybody who has promoted this entire idea of a conversion, reverse split, and dilution, I don't know how they're going to be able to move forward tomorrow. I don't know how they can feel good about themselves. I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, we will talk about the numbers in future videos. But right now, I am absolutely devastated by what Adam Aron just accomplished. I want to know about you guys. Let me know down in the comments. If that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.